Right, Taiho, an adventure today out in the park in Arnold. A bit windy today, so the flagpole has guide ropes. I'm gonna be operating with my battery, you know, from previous videos, and my Yaesu 857 with tuna. Give me a second, I'm gonna set up. Give me a second. And picking up even foreign stations. Propagation must be open. Let's go and check the 555.
Well, hockey up or blast it.
Nice, quiet. Let's go and check out 345. Quiet. So stations in FM should have been local, even though foreign language.
I'll get enough on this.
It's EU 23.
What?
Oh, it might be propagation open, but nobody on the 555. Let's go to the 19 and do a SWR test, because we're gonna use this channel, SWR null. Let's go to EU 30. We're gonna use it today. So null. Let's go channel 35. We might use it today in the UK. Null. Okay, SWR null. So the radio is working. The radio is working. The antenna is working. Is like I said, mounted up there. Absolutely no SWR, and that's on another radio. And this is a Yaesu 857. So I'm not cheating on radios. Right now we're on the 19. I've never heard this station before. I'm up high, so that's why I'm hearing. Yeah, and we're gonna try to place a call on the 19. Pay a look at the signs of the signal meter. I'm gonna ask locations. So I'm in Arnold Park. The postcode I'll tell you in a minute. I can search in my phone. Hello, channel 19. Hello, channel 19. Coyote portable this time. Coyote is portable. Testing a new antenna. I would appreciate somebody to come back with a report.
Hello, Leo. Blimey, I'm getting knocked out by Coyote now. Yes, Coyote. But by 9:30.
Yeah, Roger, thank you very much. Right, I've heard Keith in Rochester. Keith, can you give me a signal report, please?
Yeah, 9+10s, radio 5. Mate, no problem at all.
Roger, I've heard Tom, okay. Tom, can you give me a signal report?
You're coming through as early classes there. 20 overs, Coyote. Which way did you go?
Roger. Tom is embarking. Tom is embarking for those.
What's your location there, over?
Arnold Park.
Coyote, what are you doing? You're booming.
Who's this? Tim Artfisher.
Roger. You copy half of CSH 5 and 9 plus 10 dB.
Roger, you're 30 overs, yeah? You're 9 plus on the yeso. Roger, I think I've heard Tom in Leighton. Hello, Tom in Leighton?
That's why I don't run tons of... Yeah, Coyote, how you doing, people?
Yeah, Tom in Leighton, give me a signal report, please.
Yeah, give me 20 overs, Coyote. Got it out.
Roger, you give me 9 pounds, yeah? I'll do 5. Anybody else that can copy the Coyote portable? I'm just asking a favor because I'm trying an antenna.
Right. Yes, I'll give you a radio report, Coyote. You're giving me a headache.
Yeah, you give me 60 overs, by the way. Who am I talking to?
What, me, right now?
Yeah, is it Steve?
Yes, sir. You're right on my doorstep, so it's a waste of time.
Yeah, yeah, thank you, Steve. Yeah, I'm at your doorstep. Yeah, I'm in Arnold Park, yeah. Anybody else on the 19?
Coyote, you're overmodulating like a motherfucker. Look.
Yeah, I've got the audio gain a lot. Right, Wayno, give me a signal report now that I'm on portable with the ASO.
Lovely signal, but your mods are overdriving the radio, mate. Turn your mods down.
Yeah, okay, I'll speak away from the mic. Give me a signal report, please, Wayno.
I got a nice student. Solid 8, radio 5 now.
You're 9 plus, yeah? Thank you very much. Wayno is in
Afternoon, Andy.
South Hawkington. Wayno, are you South Hawkington?
I am in South Hawkington, yes.
Roger, thank you.
Yeah.
Anybody else on the 19 that has a copy on Coyote Portable, please?
Yeah, unfortunately, Coyote, you're too fucking noisy. Right. I'm just going to do what everyone else does and power the power on.
Hello, that station that just came up, can you give me a signal report, please?
Yeah, you're giving me 6s, radio 4 when allowed, because there's other people chatting over this way, mate.
Thank you very much. Can I ask your name and location, please?
Yeah, my name's Del, like the computer, Delta Echo Lima, and I'm by Rochester Airport, over.
Roger, Del. Thank you very much.
No problem, mate. Is that Coyote?
Yes, I'm operating mobile in Arnold, yeah, Arnold. I'm just trying out my Coyote style t2lt and good results. Right, I'm gonna leave you on the 19. I'm gonna see other frequencies.
Yeah, thanks for that. Easy, and Keith sends his regards. Keith in Rochester. The Coyote.
Oh, Ron, hello, Ron. Can you give me a signal report, please?
Booming. 20 overs, booming.
Roger, thank you very much, Ron. Ron is in Cunnington.
Woolwich or somewhere, Coinya.
Yeah, go again for the Coyote.
Who's lead, Coyote? Yeah, Coyote. You'll never get over Ron, though, because he's too loud, mate. You're just in the background, but never mind. Go on, you go and find your frequencies.
Hello, Clive. I think you're calling me, yeah, Clive? Oh, Mick Thamesmead, you're a signal 3 audio 5, yeah?
On his own base. And you're at me in the red.
I'm in the red, yeah? What does that mean? Plus?
Said Coyote, I like him in his own base.
Yeah, I'm a 10-1, ain't I?
Portuguese fella. He definitely woke them all up, that's for sure. I've been listening to him for about 5 months. He's from Dargan Alley, isn't he? Dargan Alley? Don't shag him really, but yeah. Roger that.
Right, boys, I'm gonna pause and I'm gonna go and see other frequencies. Right, I've just checked and the postcode it's IG6 Arnold. Okay, my location. I'm right in the park. So right now we're going to try the channel 35 UK to see if I can hear somebody. Hello channel 35, hello channel 35 UK, hello channel 35 UK, is Coyote calling. I'm portable today. I would appreciate somebody that gives me a signal report, please. Is there anybody on the 35 UK?
Sorry.
Hello channel 35, channel 35, Coyote Mobile, Coyote Portable today. I'm testing an antenna. Is there anybody on the channel 35? Yeah, thank you, Mark. Thank you, Mark. You £7, yeah, £7 to Anholt Forest. I thought that I was not going to hear nobody on the 35 because the channel is more active night time, isn't it? But let's see. Hello, channel 35. Is there anybody else that can give me a signal report, please? Who's this, Tim?
Yeah, Roger, it's Jake on it.
No. Well, I'm calling out for a signal report, but only Mark came back, so the channel is empty, I think.
I'll go to channel 40. Roy Corsica's on there.
Yeah, Roy Corsica. What? He's in Corsica.
Yeah, and he's on channel 40. Go up a couple and you'll find him.
40 UK. Yeah.
Yeah, Roger. 108 Yankee Bravo 226 104 Charlie India 101. Saying bye bye from Corsica Island. Bye bye.
Hello, Corsica. Don't go. Corsica, don't go. Do you copy 26 Lima Tango 105? Hello, Corsica. Hello, Corsica. 26 Lima Tango 105 calling. Please. Ah, he's gone.
Also got some QRM here. 73 CMH, take care, bye-bye.
Hello, Corsica, do you hear Coyote? 26 Lima Tango 105?
This is Unit 101, 101, Corsica Island, standing by.
Yeah, 101 Corsica, 101 Corsica. Do you copy 26 Lima Tango 105?
I just heard somebody saying copy. I've got a lot of QRM here, guys.
Yeah, it's Coyote, 26 Lima Tango 105.
26 Lima Tango 105, go ahead.
Yeah, Roger, good afternoon, my friend. Are you in Corsica? Is Corsica your location? I'm in the UK, Anholt Forest, London, QSL.
105, what's your name?
My name is Rui, Romeo Uniform India. Name is Rui, Romeo Uniform India.
Okay, so you're Portuguese, Rui?
Yeah. How did you know? How did you know that I was Portuguese?
You see, I have a good memory. I know these sort of things, Rui, but good afternoon from the east coast of Corsica. My name in English is Roy, Romeo Oscar Yankee. So almost the same. Hi, go ahead.
Thank you, Roy. Thank you, Roy. By the way, can you give me a signal report? We are on FM anyway.
Would you stop walking over my QSO, buddy? just wait till I finish them, then we'll talk to you also. But if you keep on persisting, we'll just go QRT. That's the best answer. Okay, Ray, still copying your 5 and 5, 55-year report on the east coast of Corsica, Ray. Go ahead.
Roger, thank you very much, Roy. I'm going to leave you alone. I think there's a few stations calling for you, so I'll leave you to do your contacts. Thank you very much, Roy. Take care, 73.
Yeah, Ray, just where are you in the 260 and what's your location?
My location is London, most precisely Hainault Forest, IG6 postcode, IG6 UK postcode.
Okay, many thanks, Ray. Take care, enjoy the radio, stay safe, and hopefully we'll catch you again real soon. 26 Lima Tango 105, this is 104 Charlie India 101, so bye-bye from Corsica.
Well, nice contact, the antenna is working. Right, I'm going to pause and let's go and check out other frequencies. Right, caught another foreign station on the mids. Let's see if they can copy me. Aló, España, aló España, puedes me copiar. Aló España, eres London, Inglaterra, llamando.
Londres, Inglaterra, buenas tardes, aquí España, adelante.
Buenas tardes, amigo, buenas tardes. ¿Cómo estoy llegando a España de Londres? Vale, muchas gracias. Estás llegando muy bien. No tienes ningún señal, pero que tienes radio, audio 5, ¿eh?
Solo estoy escuchando con Santiago 3, José María, pero lo escucho,
Se lo copiaste. No señal, no tienes señal, pero tienes buen audio.
Venga, Kansas, tómate el cambio y dile algo. Pero si no me va a escuchar, no creo que me escuche. Inglaterra, Londres, ¿escuchas a la estación Kansas desde España? Adelante.
Sí, te escucho muy bien. No pone señal, pero tu audio es muy bueno. 5 super.
Venga, Roger, muchas gracias. Pues me alegro de que me escuches. Estoy con una Midland 7001, antigua, y una antena en el teclado. Con la potencia original de la Midland, 4 vatios, QSL.
Copiado, Midland, sí. Estoy operando con un ISO 857 en una antena fabricada a la casa. Se lo copiaste. Roger, no es comercial, eres fabricada a la casa, a mi casa, homemade. Eres t2lt. El radio eres ISO 857.
sé que está hablando, pero no lo entiendo lo que dice. De vez en cuando saltan 5, entonces le escucho. Venga, adelante, ¿cómo te llamas? ¿Cómo te llamas? Buenas tardes. La estación Flash Gordon, José María. QRA José María, adelante. Desde España.
Sí, José María. Mi nombre es Rui Romeo Uniform India. Soy portugués. Trabajo a Inglaterra, pero soy portugués, ¿ok?
Venga, cuéntame, sí, yo te he escuchado. Trabajas en Inglaterra, pero eres de Portugal. Obrigado, amigo.
Não tens de quê, Zé Maria. Gracias, muitas gracias por lo break. 73 hasta la mañana.
Venga, gracias por hacerte presente. 7-3, un fuerte abrazo. Chao. Venga, chao.
That's not bad, it's fine.
73.
I'm going to pause a bit, going to smoke a cigarette. Well, the calling channel at home is active. Let's see if we can catch anybody on the 345. That's the USB LSB calling channel, the Portuguese calling channel for sidebands.
Olha o colega por Cascais. Uma vez o colega se piaço e só bacana.
Vamos lá ver, canal 34, alô canal 34, é Rui em Londres a chamar. Vamos lá ver se alguém copia, a propagação está aberta. Vamos lá ver, eu consigo escutar estações portuguesas. Vamos lá ver se a gente desde Londres chega a Portugal. Alô Portugal, é o Rui em Inglaterra.
Não posso vir aqui que eu interrompi o pessoal todo porra. Tenho que tirar, baixar a minha antena para o chão e pôr isto aqui ligado ali ao arame da latada das parreiras, que é para isto não chegar tão longe.
Alô Portugal, é Rui em Londres a chamar. Alô Portugal, é Rui em Londres a chamar. Vamos lá ver se alguém copia.
É arranjar o rapaz, estava aí a cumprimentar, rebenta minas, também escutei, pá, mas há tanta gente, eu escuto tanta gente a chamar também por mim, olha para todos, um abraço, eu agradeço. Aí a rapaziada que solicita por mim, mas como são tantos e a propagação está tão boa, olha, a gente vai ter que ir embora, pá, mas tenho pena de ter que ir embora, mas eu aqui também não faço nada e depois falta-me o tempo, vá. Um abraço aí para vocês todos, então, muito obrigado aí pelos cumprimentos.
Alô 34, é Rui em Londres a chamar, é Rui em Londres, Inglaterra a chamar, vamos lá ver se alguém copia.
Rapaz da bairrada aí desde a França, aquele abraço também.
Vamos lá ver 34, é Rui em Londres, Inglaterra, é Rui em Londres, Inglaterra, vamos lá ver se alguém copia.
Pescar, consegues pescar, pois lança a cana, pá.
Ah, bastards. Alô Portugal, é Rui desde Londres a chamar. É Rui desde Londres a chamar, vamos lá ver se alguém copia.
Arranjar a rata plana desde a França, também te escutei, pá. Eu escutei todo mundo, é preciso darem-me tempo. Aqui a rata plana, um abraço para ti também. Portugal não sei, mas a Espanha copia, Rui.
Muito obrigado, na Espanha estavam a copiar, mas em AM. Obrigado por falar de volta. É o Rui em Londres, na floresta de Hainault. Vamos lá ver se foi escutado.
Good afternoon from Division 26.
Yeah, good afternoon. Who's there? On this side is Coyote, mate. Vamos lá ver 34 Lima Sierra Bravo, alô 34, alô Portugal, é o Rui desde Londres a chamar, vamos lá ver se alguém escuta, é o Rui desde Londres a chamar. Well, at least. Yeah, I'm on Division 2-6 also. Good afternoon, mate. Olá, olá! Vamos lá ver se copia a gente. Estamos em Inglaterra, é o Rui desde Londres a chamar. The 345 is like the 19 in England. Everybody talks on it. It's a calling channel. I think it's a bit wrong, but what can we do? At least one station copied me. He came back with my name. Thank you. I'll pause, and it's about I don't know what's the time. 15:35. So we're gonna go and check out the other frequencies. There's some activity on the 305.
Just got to get the volume right on it.
No signal. Let me turn the preamp.
Anyone about this afternoon?
Yeah, good afternoon, 305 network. It's Coyote Portable in Hainault Forest. Who's got a copy on the Coyote?
Hello, Coyote. It's Richard here, Epping Forest, Sierra November 28. I'm not actually in the chair or running it. I couldn't hear no one else, but I can hear you loud and proud, mate. You're smashing me 10 plus Radio 5.
Roger, Richard. Thank you very much. Yeah, I can hear a few voices.
I'll go on a quiet side, mate. I'll change aerials, so I'm probably pointing the wrong way. Sorry about that, Eric. My phone rang then, mate, if you're still there. Anyone else on the channel yet?
Yeah, there's Coyote. Do you copy me, mate?
Crystal clear. Who's that, sorry?
Coyote. Name is Rui. Romeo Uniform India. And the handle is Coyote, mate. It's Coyote from Dagenham. Operating portable today. Who am I talking to?
Yeah, speaking to Mike, Charlie 01 from Stevenage. You're giving me 9 plus. It's a very good signal. Very good indeed.
Thank you very much. I couldn't copy your personal.
My name is Mike India Kilo Echo from Stevenage, Hertfordshire.
Oh, Mike, would you care to give me your area postcode, just the first digits? I mean IG6. IG6.
Yeah, I'm in SG2. So I'm probably about 25 miles from you as the bird flies.
Roger, thank you very much. Thank you very much for the report.
No problem. If you hang around, there's a net on at 4 o'clock and there'll be quite a few breakers on this channel.
Yeah? I'll wait and see. The weather is a bit overcast where I am. I hope it doesn't rain. I've got a cover for the radio anyway, but I haven't got no umbrella. So I'll pause a bit and listen. I've heard a few voices there, but let's see who comes up.
Yeah, there's normally about 5 to 10 breakers on at 4 p.m. It's quite a good little net, it is. No silliness and that. Yeah, it's good fun. It's good fun.
Roger. Thank you for the report, Mike. Yeah, I'll make some silence now and see how it goes. I'm testing homemade t2lt. I'm in Hainault, right in the middle of the park, on top of a hill, with a bloody t2lt homemade, but different recipe. And I think the recipe is working, yeah?
Yeah, it's doing very well. What have you got it on, a 5 glass pole or something?
Yes. Are you on Radio CB Europe?
No, I'm not. I've never heard of it.
Okay, the Facebook group. Yeah. Anyway, okay, I'll upload the video later, and it's gonna be called T2lt high performance T2lt coyote style part. I think this is part 3.
Yeah, roger that. I'll take a look. Is it the have you got the capacitor across the crude banner at the bottom? Some people break into the screening and they put a capacitor across. Is that what you're talking about?
No, mate. My apologies, but I'm not gonna put the recipe out yet. First, I'm gonna try to make a bit of money selling them, and after that, I'll make a video for the coyote pack. Coyote pack, I call it, the people on CB. Right. My apologies, Mike. I would love to tell you how I made it, but at the moment it's not possible. Maybe later, Mike.
You're a secretive one, I see. No, that's fine. You're talking to an antenna manufacturer here as well, CECOM. CEECOM. So yeah, I look forward to seeing it. I look forward to seeing it. Over.
Roger. I'll upload it. Write it on a paper. High performance T2lt coyote style part 3. You can watch the 3 parts, but you're gonna be on part 3.
Yeah, I've written that down. I'll keep an eye for it. I'll look later or tomorrow whenever it's up.
Roger, thank you. I'm gonna do a bit of silence and wait for the guys. To be honest, I've managed to go on the 305. Also in Arnold Bay inside the cycle center, I could hear them. But the problem nowadays is everybody's got too much QRM. So even I need to put a good signal for them to hear me. Anyway, Mike, take care. 73. Always a pleasure to hear your voice. So if you hear my voice, come back to me, please.
Yeah, that's good. It's crystal clear. It's been a pleasure talking to you as well. Yeah, stay around and have a listen. There's a few guys coming on shortly. You have a guy, Fred in the Shed. He's got a YouTube channel. Very knowledgeable guy. There's a few other guys. Awesome Dave, Pucker Dave. They've got blinding signals. So they'll be able to give you a good report as well. But yeah, 73s and I'll catch you soon.
Roger, Mike. 73. Take care. And that is preamp. You can see the eye from the IPO. You can see that the preamp is off, and now it's on. He was giving me more signal with the preamp, but I expected him to give me the same signal as I was giving him with no preamp, but he gave me a better signal. So anyway, it's always signal is always different. Even though my one is good, signal is always different. There's different radius, but up to now the antenna is working. Let's see later. I'm gonna pause. There's nobody. I think the network starts at in 10 minutes, so I'll pause. It's gonna be a bit boring for you guys to watch the video of me waiting and smoking a fag. Thank you.
Antenna, or whatever you call it. So I'm not sure if he's still there. I said to come on and you may be able to hear him. Oh, that'd be a T2, yeah, I know what you mean, yeah. Oh, right, yeah, the station in Romford. You copy Charlie Tango 061 in St Albans?
Yeah, 061, I've got a copy on you, yeah? Preamp on, you give me £6. Good afternoon, it's Coyote. I'm not in, I think he said Ilford. RG6 is Arnold Forest. I'm on top of a hill and in Arnold Forest. I'm recording a video, so I'll upload it later for the Radio CB Europe and Channel 35.
Charlie Charlie Tango 2714.
Yeah, 2714.
He's right in my noise level, mate, unfortunately. If you can relay what he said. Okay, he's in Hainault Forest. He's recording for YouTube, testing his antenna.
Pay attention that let's see how much he gives me in signal, so I should give him the same signal as he does to me. No signal at all.
Thanks for the report there. You are getting up here, but I'm on the other side of the hill this way, so going down sort of south sort of east there is sometimes a bit difficult, Rog.
Roger. By the way, you are being heard. Signal is null. Signal is null. Audio 4. Yeah. Can you please tell us your personal?
Yeah, you have to relay that, Mick. Charlie Tango 2714. Neil, I believe, maybe 4. The ask for your call sign, please. Oh, it's Charlie Tango 061, 26 Charlie Tango 061, and the operator name is Dave, Delta Alpha Victor Echo,
Roger. By the way, can I ask you the first digits of your postcode? Please relay this information. I can't, was it Mick?
Yeah, it was Mick, yeah. He's asked for your first digits for your postcode. Please, Dave, I think he's plotting where we all are, roughly, to see where the signal's going. Oh, Roger, it's Alpha Lima number 4. Alpha Lima number 4.
Thank you very much. I've heard somebody on the side, QSK, another Charlie Tango. Can you please come up, mate?
Charlie Tango 2714. Afternoon, everyone. It's Lee from Harlow. Just set up a new shack in the shed. So it's Lee in the shed. Laugh out loud. Back to whoever's taking the chair.
Roger, my friend in Harlow, Lee, I think he was the name. Can you give me a signal report, please?
Yes, mate. No worries. You're 7 and 5 to me. You're not that too far away if you're over in Hainault. Afternoon, Dave. How you getting on, mate? Break. Yeah, break. Is that Bowie? Yeah, Eric on the side from Luton. Over. Hello, Eric. We've got Lee in Harlow on and Pucker Dave, and I didn't catch the other call sign. The coyote. Still over in Hainault. So I'll pass you to Dave. I'll let Dave take the seat. He's very good. Yeah, stand by, right? Yeah, how you doing, Eric? Hope you're well, mate. Yeah, I'm fine, Dave. How are you receiving this AM mate? I've got
It's a bit tricky because they don't put me signal. I should put the same signal to them, so it's signal null. So if they got a bit of QRM, they're not going to hear me, but we'll try. We'll carry on the 3 or 5 and see how it goes.
Today, mate, so ain't going to be on long because that's why I've come on early. I get Epping Forest area. I'll get them up here in the LE1. Oh, crikey. Well, you better give him a shout in, Rob. Nice to hear you. Okay, mate? Yeah, not so bad, mate. How are you? Yeah, I'm all good. Yeah, I'm fine. Yeah, give the station down in Hainault a shout there. Yeah, Roger, Dave. What was his name, by the way? I don't know. What was his name, Nick? He was calling himself Coyote style or something like that. I'm not too sure, to be honest.
Yeah, Roger, it's affirmative. He's the coyote. Personal name Rui. Romeo Uniform India.
Station down in Hainault, Essex there. Do you copy Robert Luton, over?
Robert in Luton, is that correct?
Yeah, oh God, the noise has come up now. Typical, isn't it? I've got you here in LE1 anyway. No signal, about a readability 4 before, but I know you're there, mate. Over.
Yeah, Roger. Robert in Luton. Can I please ask you for you to say the first digit of your postcode? I am in IG 6. IG 6.
I've got some of that. Got some of that. Yeah, we're in Luton anyway. About 3 miles from the airport. Back to you.
Roger, thank you very much. I know it seems amazing, but I've got no noise. Very low white noise. I'm away from building areas. I'm in the middle of the park, so that's understandable. I've got absolutely no noise. But I do understand you guys. They live in build-up areas. Anyway, I'm gonna leave the channel for a bit and see who can I hear more. Hello 305, who's got a copy on the Coyote t2lt that can give me a signal report? Testing something at the moment, I'm portable.
Yeah, Roger. Before you go, you wanted the first digit for the postcode, yeah? Lima, uniform 1. I'll give you the 5 as well, but I won't go any further. LU15, and I don't know if you're licensed or not. It's Italy Oscar 91 Sierra uniform. That's my locator square, yeah?
So you gave me locator square. I'll check when I get home. Yeah, I was looking for the first postcode or the area postcode, just the first digits. But you gave me a locator. Yeah.
Yeah, Roger. Okay, well, thanks for that. Anyway, I'll put it back to the chair now. Whoever's in the chair, yeah? Yeah, cheers, Rob. Yeah, I've got to disappear, folks. I know it's only a short one there. Sorry, Mick. Yeah, Mick, have you got a website? Yes, mate, but it's off at the minute. I took it down last week. I was getting too many orders in. I've got the baby due any day. I didn't want to get in a position where I couldn't fulfil the orders, but ceecom.co.uk. But yeah, like I say, it's off at the minute, Dave. However, if you go on my Facebook page, Seacom Amateur Radio Antennas, you'll see a load of reviews and that on there. Loads of people done reviews on the aerials and there's all sorts of stuff on there. So have a little look at that, mate, if you're on Facebook. Yeah, I am on Facebook actually. Okay then, Mick. Yeah, nice one there. I was just sort of putting your, I just put c-com.co.uk because I didn't know what your, how you put the, so it's C-double-E. You got a 1 division station calling you, mate. Yeah, the antenna station there, are you receiving? Echo, porta portato, hola. Yes, thank you very much. My name is Matteo. It's 1 Sierra Tango 005, Northeast Italy. Yes, in Venice. Okay, thank you very much, my friend, for the console. You will arrive here with the Santiago 79 and Radio 5. Very, very good. Thank you very much, my friend, and have a good
Let's see, Matteo. Hello, Matteo. Italy is Coyote calling. London, UK.
Charlie Tango 2714, the Italy station 01. You got a copy? Did he say he was in Venice? Yes, sir, Venice. Yes, Venice, my friend. I copy all the free operators. All the free operators. Very good, very good. Thank you very much. Have a good day and goodbye, my friend. Thank you.
Thank you, Matteo.
Sento molto bene, si sente la potenza sotto, si sente molto bene e vede anche il dito frequenza,
Coyote, I don't know how many stations you can hear, but it just seems full of foreigners.
Yeah, oh mate, I can hear them all. I'm gonna upload the video and you can check it. Yeah, this guy in Italia, Matteo, just gave me 9s. Yeah, and I haven't got the preamp on.
Buona roba quella lì, mi sa che la funziona anche bene, ma con cosa la piloti? Col 6-9, col 6-9. I'm listening. Col 6-9, barachino nuovo là, quello arriva dopo Pasqua.
Oh, amici, se puoi mi capitare, por favor. Estás llamando London, UK.
Ora te l'ho detto, guarda qua.
Amici, se puoi mi copiare, mi capitare. It is London, United Kingdom.
Take a big step for some time, but sorry to hear that, Rob. I'm not driving, but I'm not working driving. I could get away with that. I'm driving the car, but not my minibus, you know. Can't get away with that, I'm afraid.
Hola, mi ascolti tu?
Sì, ti sento.
Hola. Ho messo 4 watt in FM e dopo entro con 4 watt in FM, ho messo 4 watt perché in banda tocca fa ora, tutto un casino, mi sto girando in con coglioni, che sono io. Arrivo a 30, su 75 uomo con adesso 1,50 m, dai, buono, Fausto ci sei?
E guarda che c'è il metro che ti sta chiamando. Roger.
Chi è sto straniero sotto qua, Roger, Demetrio, vieni avanti, vediamo se ti ascolto.
Buonasera, come state?
Ah, sto bene, thank you very much. Demetrio?
Italian station.
Sì, ti ascolto, non forte, ma c'è un stranario sotto qua.
Allo Italia, tu mi ascoltas? Mi puoi capire?
Sì, ti capisco Italia, ti capisco.
Puedes me dar signal report.
Allora 995 di rapporto, Santiago 9 e Radio 5.
Gracias.
Ok, ciao mandi qua dall'Italia, Nord Italia. Fausto, todo per te.
North Italian stations, you copy Division 26, Sierra November 28.
Qua mi arriva a 7-8 lo stesso, lo parla inglese, mi non speak English. Chi sta a capire per comunque?
Questa stazione sta pedendo radio report.
Santiago 8, Radio 5, Radio 5.
Okay, it tells Santiago 8, Signal 8, Radio 5, yeah?
Grazie, thank you, grazie. Vai Angelo, che adesso mi non voglio qua parlare.
Did you copy that station that he was calling Italy?
I think I passed on.
I didn't get it, mate. I was trying to swing the beam round and I lost him.
Roger, he gave you Signal 8, Radio 5, yeah?
Top man, cheers, mate. I'm flicking from one to another, really. I've only just put the beam up, so cheers, mate. Niente, io vi saluto, c'è troppa confusione. Ho difficoltà a tirarvi fuori io purtroppo.
Right, I'm gonna do a pause. Gonna pause the video, smoke a cigarette. I would love to hear Fred in the shed. But he's not showing up. Let's see. Let's wait. I don't know, half an hour more, and then I'll start to pack up. The antenna is tested. It's working a treat. A few values that you've seen in Signal, it was with IPO off. IPO is the the right now is preamp is off, and this is preamp on. Yeah, the IPO off gives you more signal. But anyway, carry on. I'll make another pause. Go to the toilet if you need. There's more video to come. I'm gonna pause it. Thank you for being with me up to the moment. Right, 305 was wiped clean by the foreign stations. Italy and Spain come in more strong Italy. Yeah, Roger, I'm still here, yeah. I'll be here for half an hour. But apparently everybody ran away out of the 305 when bloody Italy is arriving stronger than the stations in UK.
Yeah, you know, very strong signals tonight, very strong signals. I've just looked through Facebook for this group. Did you say it was called CB Radio Europe? Over.
Yes, the video will be posted on a forum. My apologies. A Facebook page, a Facebook group called CB Radio Europe, created by Steven Stevens, and I'll upload the video also for a Facebook group called Channel 35, which is a local channel to me, run by Jake Highgate, yeah?
Okay, yeah, copy that. I've just added myself to CB Radio Europe. So, just to confirm, there's another group called Channel 35, CH35.
Yes, Channel 35, but UK, yeah? The Facebook group is Channel 35, but the frequency that they operate is 35 UK FM.
Okay, copy that. I can't seem to find a group called Charlie Hotel 35. Was that within the Radio CB Europe group?
It's not Charlie Hotel, is Channel 35 UK.
Right, okay, I'm going to search now. Won't be a moment.
Yeah, everybody ran away. Like I was saying, everybody ran away from the 305 when the bloody Italians, they were coming in strong.
Find this one. Someone write in the comments. For some reason it's not coming up. But once you post the video, I'm sure I'll find it. If you put it in the CB Radio Europe group, I'll find it there if you're posting there.
Okay, give me a moment. Give me a moment. Stay there. Go again, that station, go again.
Yeah, okay, mate, I can hear you. 2677 Charlie Tango, 2677. The name is Joel. Juliet, Oscar, Echo, Lima.
Joe, can you give me a signal report, please?
You give me, it's a bit noisy on here, but you give me radio 4, signal 5.
Yeah, you're about the same on this side, mate. You're about the same. You've been heard. Postcode is IG6 Arnold Forest. Can you please give me your postcode, the first digits, just the area indicator?
Yeah, postcode is Sierra Golf 2. I'm in Stevenage Heart.
Roger, thank you very much. You being heard, yeah. Audio, I'd call it audio 4, yeah. But the thing is, with me, I've got absolutely no noise where I am. Even with the preamp on, I've got absolutely no noise. I can hear everything. The problem is a few people, they got QRM at their doorstep because they're in build-up areas, yeah?
Yeah, you're a little bit, Mike might have 10-5 a little bit of that. You're a little bit quiet to me. I'm losing you in the QRM. But I'm mobile, static mobile, yeah? Just leave the chart.
Roger, I'm portable, working on an homemade antenna, secret recipe, very good on SWR, but I'm up in the hill in an old forest in a clear space on the grass, sitting on a chair and operating the antenna on a fiberglass mast, yeah?
I don't care still, Mike, but I lost a lot of that because I might play with my clarifier.
Okay, mate, he's just he's up in Hainault Forest. He's on special recipe t2lt antenna that he's made coyote style, sat in the long grass, and he said, can you have your card number and the rest of your postcode, please?
But mate, he's round there getting used to that dog. For what
Right, the 305 network is finished. Conclusions on the antenna. The antenna works, is proven.
Oh yeah. Did you hear about
Let me
that
lower the
this
sound.
afternoon, Rich?
Oh, by the way, this is a tuner, but
Old Bill knocking on my front door.
it's not connected. You can see there's no power plug for the tuner, and the wire goes straight to the antenna. But let's go on the conclusions. Conclusions. It works. I'm really happy with it. Does all the 2 bands. That's all I've wanted for low SWR. I've had fun, a bit of fun on the 19, 35, 40. I think I went 555. I don't remember. 30 mids. I was hoping for more users of the 305 network, but you know, they gotta have time to come to the radio. If they're busy, they're not gonna come to the radio. We'll try another day. You never know. I'm quite happy with the bloody antenna. It works. So thank you for watching the video, and thank you for your patience. It must have been a boring video, but what can I say? That was the t2lt. Oh, and if you notice on the video, there's no power lights on the tuner. Okay, so it was the actual radio plugged to the t2lt coyote style. I'm gonna say bye bye. Thank you again for watching the video. Subscribe if you can. I'll be posting some more videos about radio stuff. I'm gonna try, the next trial will be my UHF VHF portable setup, field operation setup. So take care, subscribe, put the thumbs up if you like, and that's it. If you're I was gonna say something, but I better not. And that's it. 73. Bye bye.